Be in Ugenya ahead of the by-election slated for Friday. The planned rollout of the National Integrated Identity Management System, or NIIMS, also known as the Huduma Namba, will go on tomorrow as earlier planned. A three-judge bench comprising of Justices Weldon Korir, Pauline, Nyamweya and Mumbi, Ngugi, however, directed that the government should not make the exercise mandatory or issue deadlines for the collection of the NIIMS data. The ruling further warned the government against taking DNA samples during the digital listing pending hearing and determination of the petition.
When Justices Mumbi, Ngugi, Pauline, Nyamweya and Weldon Korir walked into the courtroom on Monday evening, it was clear that the future of the National Integrated Identity Management System, NIIMS, set to be rolled out on Tuesday, April 2nd, was in their hands.
We have Mr. Ogoso.
The three-judge bench had on Friday last week presided over the hearing of a case challenging the entire process of the National Integrated Identity Management System. And with the launch of the exercise just a few hours away, the court allowed the exercise to go on, but with restrictions.
The inclusion of DNA as one of the unique identifiers or attributes in the definition of biometric in Section 3 of the Registration of Persons Act be and is hereby suspended pending the hearing and determination of the consolidated petitions hearing.
Three parties that included the Kenya Human Rights Commission, Nubian Rights Forum, and the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights filed different cases challenging the impending digital listing of Kenyans, otherwise known as Huduma Namba. They sued the Attorney General, the Cabinet Secretaries for Interior and Information Communication Technology, the Director of National Registration, and the Speaker of the National Assembly. And although the court agreed that the issues canvassed by the petitioners were weighty, it nevertheless allowed the exercise to take place, but not to the scale the government may have wanted.
The respondent shall not, firstly, compel any member of the public to participate in the collection of personal information and data in NIIMS. Secondly, set any time restrictions or deadlines as regards the collection of the said personal information and data in NIIMS. Thirdly, set the collection of personal information and data in NIIMS as a condition precedent for the provision of any government or public services or access to any government or public facilities. And fourthly, share or disseminate any of the personal information or data collected in NIIMS with any other national or international government or non-governmental agencies or any persons.
In a move that had sparked public anger and anxiety, the government had said no Kenyan would access government services nor obtain an ID, passport, driving license, or even a birth certificate without first getting a Huduma Namba. But the orders issued by the three-judge bench set aside all those conditions. Besides barring collecting of DNA data, the government was also barred from using GPS coordinates of an individual as part of the NIIMS data and sharing of the NIIMS information with any foreign organization. President Uhuru Kenyatta will on Tuesday launch the NIIMS program at Masi in Machakos County, while his deputy William Ruto and opposition leader Raila Odinga will roll out the system in Kakamega and Mombasa respectively. Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka will be in Murang'a County as Musalia Mudavadi oversees the exercise in Kajiado. NIIMS, which will capture data for persons from the age of 6, will create and manage a central master population register. The government says this will be the authentic source of identity of all persons residing in Kenya, including foreigners. Each NIIMS registration will generate a unique number known as Huduma Namba, whose purpose will be to assign a personal unique identification to facilitate government services after capturing biometric data of all citizens and foreigners. Shadrack Miti, KTN News.